they're kind of blending together, honestly. I don't know. What am I doing? What is this? What is this? What is going on? Oh, I'm scared. I swear it doesn't look that crazy in person. I just look like a clown. Okay. I'm literally choosing the colors of a clown, like red and blue. What am I doing? Hello guys, what is up? What is going on? It's been a very long time, I feel like, since I've talked to y'all. But today I'm pretty excited because we are going to be reviewing and I guess swatching and trying out this new eyeshadow look, and actually this new eyeshadow palette. That's what I was trying to say, you know. And I'm really excited because it's such a crazy palette. Like, first of all, I have no idea what to do with eyeshadow, so it's gonna be fun because you can mess up really easily with this. I mean, let me just show you the cover. Like, you'll see all of these colors around here. It looks like a crazy palette, and I mean, it's crazy, but it's fun. So we're gonna try it out, and if you guys would like to see how I mess up, just keep on watching, okay? My friend got me this for Christmas, and actually I think I had told her because she bought it for her sister, and I was like, okay, that's what I want because it's such a crazy palette. It's by BH Cosmetics, and it's that Take Me Back to Brazil. So it's such a crazy just package. It looks so pretty. The inside, okay, let's just go ahead and just show you guys, okay? Oh, okay. I thought he was gonna just show you, and just kidding. But anyway, so this is how it looks like when you take the packet off, and then I'm gonna show you guys the inside. Oh, okay. Look how pigmented those colors look. Just look at that. Look at all of that. And I'm planning to do something with it, so it's gonna be a fun video because I really have no idea what I'm doing with eyeshadows, you know. And I mean, just look at these colors. I'm gonna mess up so bad, but it's gonna be okay because I mean, oh my god, no, I just made a whole mess. I made a mess right in front of me. I think one of them just, oh no. Okay, so this one right here, the green one, I guess it was damaged when it was delivered or something, because it kind of came out. So we're just gonna finish taking the whole thing off anyway. It just, unfortunately, it broke off and I didn't even use it, so we're just gonna set that to the side for now. So I have no idea what I'm coming up with. I don't know what I'm filling, if I'm filling some blues, some purples, or pinks, orange. I mean, there's a world of possibilities here with this palette. I have no clue what I'm gonna do. So if this happens to come out good, I mean, I'm gonna just rewatch my video if I ever want to remake this look, because I mean, I doubt it, but who knows? I might surprise myself, you know? So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids. As you can see, I already did the rest of my face. I'm already beat it up and everything for you guys, of course, because I don't want to scare you. So I'm just gonna use the Age Rewind by Maybelline New York, the primer. I'm gonna use that on my eyelids here, so I'll do that really fast. Okay, and now that we have finished setting the eyelids, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the base. I don't know what color I want to do, you guys. What are y'all feeling right now? I'm feeling a little crazy. So I don't know, but my eyes keep going to these purple colors and these blue colors right here. So I feel like I want to do that, but I also want to do pink. And since I have no idea what I'm doing, and I feel that I just want to be crazy today, because I mean, this palette just inspires me to be crazy, because I mean, I just can't get over these colors. I really can't. I love you so much for getting me this, Melly. I'm my best friend for this, I swear. Ooh, let's swatch some colors. Are you guys ready to swatch? I think I'm gonna go ahead and use, let me just swatch this middle line right here so you guys can see how pigmented they all are. So we're gonna start with this pink one right here. Oh, they feel creamy. And here's the pink one. There's the pink one. Doesn't seem very pigmented, but who knows. Let's see. Here comes the red one. Oh, that red one is really pigmented. Now I want to use the red one. Let's go in with this orange. Oh, with this orange right over here. This was the one that I just tried. Orange. Oh, I kind of like that one too. Try this yellow. Let's see how this yellow's looking. Okay, looks like a highlighter. You know, the ones you use in class or whatever. And let's use this one right here. Oh, that is green, you guys. That is green. That is neon green. That is beautiful. I want to use this whole palette on my eyes, literally. The whole one. Alright, there's another one. That's the one that I tried. Now we're going to move on to the darker color one. And let's do that. That's really cute. That looks like a tree. Kind of green. You know what I mean? I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but I'm gonna pretend like you guys do. Now, there's I think like a purple one with sparkles on it. Let's see how much the sparkles show. Whoa, that's pigmented. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I am loving this color. You guys do not understand. Like, I know I told you guys I have no clue what I'm doing with eyeshadows, but I mean, I just love to have the option to mess up every time with using this one palette. Like, I'm so excited. Alright, then we're going to try this purple one right here. Like that. Oh. Honestly, I cannot be more excited for an eyeshadow palette right now because I don't even own, like, big eyeshadow palettes. I mean, and this one is just crazy insane with all these colors. And it's so wild that I'm so happy to have this palette. Like, look at all these swatches. I think they're all very pigmented. The first one wasn't very pigmented, the pink one, because it's a lighter pink, and I think I didn't push hard enough with my finger. So let me just do that one more time. But that was also, of course, it was the lightest pink in there. So let me just do that and see. Okay, it's showing up a little bit more now because I kind of digged in my finger there a little bit more. So just look how pretty that looks, you guys. That looks so beautiful. And I can't wait to put this in my eyeballs. And I haven't seen really any like dust coming off. Like, you know how some eyeshadows are very dusty. This palette seems to be doing pretty okay. It kind of feels creamy. It's very creamy and I do like that. Come together. Oh my god, this is probably going to be the video that goes viral because I have no idea what I'm doing and I look like a clown. This is very scary. I don't know what this is. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I went too dark on the outside. I think this is not okay. It's not okay. I would not go out like this. I would definitely not go out like this. So how about, I like the inner corner. I like the pink. I think I don't like the outside. So I think I'm just going to take it off. Okay, guys. I am back. And this is the third time we're trying. But this time we're going to succeed. Because I had to look up a tutorial on how to do a look. Because I have no clue what I'm doing. And I'm not artistic at all. But we are going to do this. Okay, we're going to do it great. It's going to turn out good, hopefully. So I'm recreating a look. Okay. She did it much better than I do, than I will ever do, you know. So if you guys want to check her out, go ahead. But we're gonna try to recreate this look here. I'm going with the brush, and I am going to go in there with the yellow. So with the orange. The orange that I used earlier. We're just gonna go in our crease with that color right there. This yellow right here. So just take that color, tack it on the outside corner. Hey! Right here with gonna blend those. I'm gonna use this little brush right here to go in like the inner corner piece thing or whatever. Alright, now that we did that with the red in the under part, we're gonna use the yellow one and come in the inside. I think I just gotta blend this out and then we will be done. I would just have to go ahead and put on some lashes on the top, and then I think we'll be done after that. So let me go do that really fast. And now that the lashes are on, it kind of puts the look in together. I also changed my lip color so that it could pop my eyes a little bit more, and I'm actually pretty proud of myself. It looks pretty good from a distance, and actually from pretty close it's not too bad. So I'll go ahead and close my eyes and let you guys see how the finished look looks like. So so bad actually. I really do like the yellow and the red and orange all together. It kind of looks really pretty, and I am so proud that I was able to finally make something work. But of course I needed the help of another YouTuber to show me how to do this because I have no imagination. So this is how it looks like, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video with all of my mess ups, because I mean this was one of the most frustrating videos I made because I had to redo it 3 times, actually 4 times, because when I left to go put my lashes, this is the second pair of lashes that I have on, because as you guys know I am not very good at doing that either yet. So I messed it up all over, so I had to restart, but I did the same exact thing that I did in, you know, what I just showed you guys. So I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. I really like it. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think or what you guys want me to do later, as in what you guys would like for me to do as a review or whatever you guys want to watch. And don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. I will link them at the end of the video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a good one. Bye bye. Hey!